Here's the app SSME 8K Live Wallpaper. Quite popular app, I guess Chinese app. One of the best live wallpapers all in one place. So this is specifically for live wallpapers. Dive into dreamy ocean scenes with our video wallpapers or explore endless jaw-dropping images, whether you love artistic landscapes or celebrity anime styles. Our dedicated team curates the ultimate wallpaper collection. And this is just what you have. You can see it in here. So, if you really like live wallpapers, try out this app. So let's just check it out. So here's some of the live wallpapers, all kinds of, whoopsie, as you can see, it's quite glitchy. Yeah, then you can just see a lot of creators. So then you will just see stuff like that. So some pretty good ones, as you can see. And yeah, like this one is quite cool, right? So yeah, you can just see that. Yeah, this one is also cool. So yeah, there are also charging wallpapers. You can also tap to download, and then you can see what you want. You can do it with one ad unlock. So you can really get it with one ad. You can also get if you upgrade to VIP. Or nope, you can just do it just by playing some games or testing some games, one ad, or just again use some survey or play some game, or then just upgrade $3 per week. So you just decide, but there are plenty of free options. A lot of creators, you can create your own. You can see a lot of here live static emoji avatars, quite a great collection, to be honest, in here. And then there are games, play games, you can see in here, and that's basically the idea. A lot of languages in Chinese, but that's what it is. Try it out. It's quite good value for the money. That's why it's in the charts. But always with Chinese apps, there should be some kind of grain of salt. First of all, it's crashing, and if they're asking you for too much privacy, don't do that. Too much ads. People saying do not. So it's like, I don't know actually whether they're just pushing it through some TikTok ads, but it's quite high in the charts, you can see. So yeah, but that's just what you have. I think it's possible to get some wallpapers here for free, but yeah, that's just what it is.